Okay, so this is the video of the live testing via the test driver and one of the test cases to show that our test automation test driver scripts could be used for all three layers of full simulation with software, co-simulation with software and hardware in the loop, and full hardware using the same test script concept. So for this test, we have the robot following these marks showing different distances to the obstacle, which are the beers, and make sure they don't get knocked over and broken and spilled. So as you can see, the robot, I kicked it off to save space on this video. It's spawned to the network server, and the robot collision avoidance, and I'm getting some echo, so I gotta turn over here. So at the laptop, let me unmute one of these guys, mute him. Okay, so at the laptop, within our same workspace directory with our test drivers, this test driver has been configured to run the live configuration. I have a Skype session running to the robot so we can see what the robot is seeing. So I have the camera pointed down so we can see the marks as it approaches the beer bottles. And then I have a VNC session so we can to the robot remotely, so we can see the robot network server running as the test progresses in our test script over here. Okay, so we're going to kick it off. So it's loading the live. It's going to connect to the robot. Have the robot doing a banjo before it starts, kind of signifying that it's running. And the robot is following the path of the marks. And if I could show the marks as we hit the distances. And then you see, so make sure it stops. And the robot stopped within 1 foot of the beers. So if I go over here, we can see how the distances we're hitting. We hit the warnings, the alert, and then the stop at 1, and then obstacle detected, sent the stop command, and we saw that the robot stopped. And the beer bottles from the robot camera are still intact, did not hit them. And that's all based off of our test driver scripts. This is the logs, which I'm going to be putting up in the test artifacts with the video, showing the live testing using the robot collision avoidance and the test driver. Just to show us the same output and how we were within 1 foot of the beer.